Hello friends, this is Harmeet from theming.com. Today I brought you a very special video to create a custom menu in your website. Friends, you can see I am using this big store theme to create a custom menu in my website. The reason behind choosing this theme is we have got plenty of options to add our custom menu in this theme. So today I am going to explain how you can create a custom menu in different parts of your theme. Friends, I am using big store theme for just an example. The process I am going to explain you will cover for all the theme. It means that you can use this process for any of the theme available in WordPress market. But it totally depends on the theme feature that you are getting plenty of option to add your menu in your home page. So friends, let's get started with the theme. Before starting theme, I would like to tell you that we will cover creating a custom menu, and we will also add some blog post categories and some product categories in this video. So friends, let's get started. Friends, as you can see, this is our dashboard, and in our dashboard we have to navigate to appearance and click on the menus link. Friend, this will open a menu section where we can create a custom menu. So friends, first you have to create a new menu, and for that you have to click on this link, create a new menu, and it will open a interface to create a menu. Now we have to give the name of our menu. Suppose I am going to create a main menu for my header part, so I am giving title main menu, and here now we have to add our menu items which will be showing in the header part of our website. Friends, as you can see, in menu settings option we have given option to add header above menu, main menu, sticky menu and footer menu. You can see in our website we have a header part, and above this header we also have a above header option. I will explain you how you can add menu in above header part, and also in footer section we have a above footer section where you can assign a footer menu. So let's create our menu first. So you can see these are the pages available in our menu. Before that we have to click on the create menu button so that it will assign a menu in our menu section. Now our menu is created with the name of main menu. You can see our main menu is also listed here. Now we have to select our pages which we are going to add in our menu. So you have to click on the home page, which is very essential, and also you can select a sample page. Also you can select a shop page for your website. You can also select a contact page and select blog page. After that you can also select my account. If you are using a WooCommerce website, then you can use my account page also in your website. After that you have to click on the add to menu button, and it will add all your menu selected in your main menu. So you can see our menu is now selected. Friends, you can also manage the ordering of menu by just drag and drop the menu here. Also you can create multi-level menu by just dragging and drop it, and when you move one level to the right side, then it will become a child menu of this home page, and the home page menu will be considered as a parent menu. So when you see this in your website, then it will show as a drop down menu. So as of now I am just creating a main menu, and you can also manage this by dragging menu items. Now friends, you have to assign the position of this menu. I am just giving this menu as a main menu, so you can just check on this main menu and select the save menu button. Now we will see our menu is created in our website. So just go to your web page and hit the refresh button, and you can see our menu items which we have selected are now added in our main menu. Now friends, we are going to create another menu which will be a footer menu. So again you have to create a new menu and give name footer menu. Now we have to again choose some menu items for our footer menu. Suppose footer menu are mainly used to show your terms and condition menu item, your other pages which you don't want to show in main header menu. So currently I don't have any terms and condition page, so I'm just giving you example of some sample page and wish list page and cart page, or you can choose a checkout page also. Friends, now we have to click on the add to menu button and it will be added in your menu item. Now we have to select this menu as a footer menu and click on the save menu button. Now again we will refresh our page and see how our menu is showing in our footer. You can see our checkout page, cart page, sample page and wishlist page is now available in our footer menu. Now friends, we will learn how to create a post category or a product category in our menu. So friends, I am just going to select a main menu. We will add those categories in our main menu. So friends, we have selected our main menu and now we have to navigate to our posts, and here you can see all our posts are available, and these are the categories which we are going to add in our menu. These are the categories of our blog post. So as of now I only have two categories. One is the blog category and another is uncategorized. So I am just selecting a blog category and click on the add to menu button, and you can see our category. This is highlighting that this is a category and blog category is now available in our main menu. Now all I have to do is click on the save menu and it will add in our main menu. So when we refresh our page, we can see we will have two menu item. So it totally depends on you. You can select your menu item as a category. Now we will check to add product categories in our main menu. As you can see, we don't have any product category listed here because we have not selected it in our screen options panel. So just go to your screen option panel and choose product categories checkbox from here and just close this screen option panel, and now you can see our product categories are available. So just open these product categories and here you will get plenty of product categories which we have created. So just select all those categories which you want to show in your main menu. So I am just selecting clothing and personal care category and click on the add to menu. Now we have to click on the save menu button, and now we will refresh our page and you can see our menu is available, which are the product categories. You can see clothing category and personal care category is now available. Friends, now we will learn how we can add menu in our above header. So we have to navigate to our appearance and click on the customize panel. Friends, I would like to tell you one thing in this video, that this above header option is available in big store. That is why you are going to add menu in your above header, and it depends on the theme which we are providing options for our above menu header. So just click on the layout part here and in your header section and go to above header, and here you can select a single layout or two layout column. I am just going to select single layout, and here we are going to select a menu item and you will get option to go to menu. From here you can choose your menu and click on the publish button, then it will be available in your above header. So I am just going to select main menu, and you can see all the page items which are available in main menu. I am just giving you example, so you have to click on the header above menu and click on the publish button. Now you can see our above header menu is also available. I am just giving this as an example. You can create your another menu and assign that menu here. So this is the above header menu. Now let's go back to our menu section and I will explain you how you can create a custom link menu in your main menu item. Suppose friends, you don't have a page in your website but you want to link that page in your menu item. So you have to create a custom links and give a external link to your menu item. Suppose your link text will be external link, and you can go to, suppose I'm just using themeung.com link. You have to copy this link and go to your menu and paste this link in the custom link. You can see our menu link is now added, and you have to just click on the add to menu. And when you save your menu item and check your page, then it will show external link menu item in your website. Friends, you can see our external link is available, and when you click on this external link, then it will redirect us to a Themeung website. So friends, in this way you can create a custom menu item which will redirect user to any third website link. So friends, this is the video of creating a custom menu. If you have any question related to this, then you can post a comment and I will help you with that. Thanks for watching my video.